Figuring it out, aren't you, Bubby? Of course. There you go. He's figuring it out. Get him, Sean! Get him! You're getting so big. You're gonna punch that giraffe out. You chunky monkeys. Oh, you think this song's funny? I know. He's at work with Mommy, and he's getting too big. Aren't you, Bubby? Oh! What are you doing, Sean? I'm gonna get that giraffe. Yeah. Oh, they're so cute. You're so cute. Chunky. Look at them legs. He needs a punching bag. That's my punching bag.